Hi guys, sometimes when you try to log into your Facebook account, you will see this message saying you cannot use Facebook because your linked Instagram account is disabled. So basically it means that your Facebook account is disabled due to some community guidelines or other standards violation which happened in your connected Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this issue. Let's go. First of all, you need to appeal to the Instagram support for the data access. For that, just open your browser and type accessing and downloading your Instagram information and select this link. The link will be in the video description, so you can easily use that. From here, select data access and then scroll down and select I have an Instagram account but I can't access my data. And from here, type your full name. Whatever your Instagram name is, type it here. After that, type your Instagram username. After that, select your country. Then type an email address where they can contact you. After that, click I agree. Then click send. Now you successfully send the Instagram data access appeal. Now you need to send Facebook and Instagram appeal through email. For that, open your email account and click compose. There is 3 emails that you need to send the appeal to. The first one is disabled@support.facebook.com. The second one is appeal@support.facebook.com. The third one is support@instagram.com. Now you need to type an appeal. For that, you can actually use this appeal form. Don't worry, the appeal form will be in the video description, so you can easily copy paste it. Here, add your full name, your country, and your Instagram username. After that, send this email and they will review your appeal and remove the restriction, or they will contact you if they need any additional information. So I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.